Hey guys, Shiftery here, welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how to get free clothing from Poshmark. I'm super excited about this video because a lot of people have been asking me how I'm able to go out and get so many clothes for free. I recently picked up this gallery department shirt from Poshmark, and honestly I can't be any happier because it was 100% free to go ahead and obtain. But something else that's very easy and free to go ahead and do is actually subscribe to the channel and like the video, because it does help us out in the YouTube algorithm, and I'm always providing useful tips so you guys can go ahead and save money online. If that sounds interesting, go ahead and do it. Anyways, let's go to jump right into the video. The first step to go ahead and get free clothes from Poshmark is to download the app and make a brand new account. This is very important that you guys go ahead and click the link down in the description below and make a brand new account. That's going to be crediting you guys with $10, and it's literally going to go ahead and help you guys get free clothes. Once you guys sign up, $10 will be deposited into your account, and honestly it is that easy. Now you can go and scroll around looking through a bunch of different items. A lot of the items are actually super affordable. Let's say for example I'm looking to go ahead and pick up this $40 essentials long sleeve, then I can easily do it. So we already have $10 in credits, which is really nice. But what's really good about this is getting the other $30 is super easy. Let me show you. Simply head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, and you guys want to go to download the app called Add a Poll. Add a Poll is literally a paid survey app, and you can see that I have already made over $70 using this app in the past week or so, and now I can go ahead and pick up that essentials long sleeve, no questions asked. And honestly, I've been really growing my essentials collection, so I'm pretty excited about this. Once you guys go ahead and sign up, you want to sign up with the code dbfcm. That code is going to be giving you guys a free 50 cents, and you'll be on your way to earning the rest of the money for your free Poshmark items. As you can see, you can redeem it through gift cards, PayPal, Revolut, or even donate it if you guys want to. But obviously you want to go ahead and get your clothes for free, so we need to go ahead and actually cash out via PayPal. As you can see, the surveys are actually super easy to go ahead and complete, and they don't take any time at all, which is really nice. And you can go ahead and make passive income simply by referring people to the app. One of my favorite things to go ahead and do is refer my friends to the app, and it's honestly some really good money. If you guys forget to go ahead and put the referral code in, go all the way over to the right, and you guys will see enter referral code at the very bottom, and you guys can type in the code dbfcm for a free 50 cents, which is really nice. Overall, very nice paid survey app, and you guys can go ahead and earn the money in no time to go ahead and get these items for 100% free. But I know you guys may actually run out of surveys on this app, so let me show you guys another one. Another app is going to be Eureka. You can download it from the Google Play and App Store just like Add a Poll, and then you want to go ahead and click on open. Once you guys go ahead and jump in the app, there is yet again another referral code, and I want to be 100% transparent that these codes do help the channel, but I wouldn't recommend it if I truly did not believe in it. GUDW4I is going to give you guys a free $1. This is why I recommend this app a lot more. You guys could definitely sign up for both and go ahead and get a free $1.50. But as you guys can see, that a lot of my subscribers have actually joined already, over 1,400, which is really nice. And you can see under the rewards tab that there's a bunch of different rewards. The only downside compared to Add a Poll is the minimum payout is going to be $5. On Add a Poll, it was only $3, so it could definitely be a big deciding factor when you guys are trying to get into these paid survey apps. Right over here are the rewards though. You can pick between PayPal, Visa gift cards, bank transfers, and so many different gift cards. But obviously, if we want to go ahead and actually cash out to Poshmark, we need to go ahead and pick between PayPal, Visa gift cards, or bank transfers. Another thing to mention is the app has a very clean and slick UI, meaning that you can easily navigate the app and earn a lot of money. There's so many different surveys to go and complete every single day, and they're very simple. Sometimes they'll have questions such as what color is snow, and if you go and select pink, obviously you're just selecting random answers, so just answer them very truthfully, and you don't want to get banned from these apps. Trust me, I've been there on some of the apps, and it just wasn't fun, and I wasn't able to go to make money for a while, and it just was not cool. Another method that I do recommend is to start selling off some of your old clothes. I really do recommend that you go ahead and try this because you can make a decent amount of money, especially if you have some pretty nice clothes laying around. You can go ahead and pawn them off and earn some extra money in order to go ahead and get free clothing. But it is recommended that you guys do sign up with the link down in the description below to give you guys the best chance to go ahead and earn free credits. Overall, I'm pretty happy with Poshmark in my experience, and they have a lot more to offer. And if you guys are looking to sell on Poshmark, there's a bunch of tools out there. If you guys want to take it professionally, you guys can go ahead and do so as well. Another method to go ahead and get free clothes is to hop on Facebook. And I know a lot of people don't really understand that Facebook is still actually popping off, and there's a lot of groups that you guys can go ahead and join. So if you go to take a look at the first group, Poshmark Buy and Sell. So literally, you could talk to these sellers directly and start either lowballing them or try to work out a deal with a trade, and you can go out and get free clothing that way. I highly recommend joining these groups because they're very untapped and you could easily get free clothing just like that by talking to people. And if you guys really see something that you like, you can go ahead and haggle the price down until it's very comfortable for you guys. And if you pair the other methods that I told you about inside of the video, you can easily earn a lot of money just by getting clothing for cheap and also selling it for high on Poshmark. Once you guys finally made enough money, you guys can head over to Poshmark and literally buy whatever you want. And with the link down in the description below, again, you'll be getting a free $10, so I highly recommend signing up. But another method I like to go ahead and do to get free clothes on Poshmark is lowballing. You guys probably seen this everywhere. It's kind of annoying. If you guys ever tried selling something online, you probably came across a lowballer, but let me show you guys how to do it. Most of the time, you can look at people's closets and see if they actually have a lot of items in there. They have not many. This one actually is not a good example because they do have a decent amount of clothing. Let's say they have like one or two, and you can also see when they signed up as well to go ahead and get a general idea how many ratings. You can kind of just finesse your way and try to lowball them. This is another technique that I like to go ahead and do to save a lot of money. You can also do things such as trades. For example, I already had this gallery department shirt, so I could probably trade that guy this shirt for an essential shirt, which is actually a good trade, or honestly not really, especially for me because this shirt is way more than an essential shirt. But definitely something to go on and keep in mind, that you can trade clothes around your house, especially if you want one item in return. So you guys can do a trade and do it that way. But a lot of people definitely are down to do trades on Poshmark because they're looking to get rid of the item, or you may have something more valuable and you can easily trade it off for the other item. And this is definitely another technique that I see a lot of my subscribers using to go ahead and get free items on Poshmark. Overall, I really do like Poshmark, but I do have some other videos coming out on the channel where you can get a lot more free clothes, so definitely stay tuned. But I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Shiftery reviews. Bye!